So I'm going to show you how to solve the 4x4 OLL parity. So this means these edges are flipped. Other than that, everything is solved. So I have also uploaded how to solve a PL 4x4 PL parity. Link is in the description below. Okay, so let's go how to solve this 4x4 OLL parity. So let's go. Okay, so I have my cube here. So these two should be flipped. So what you do is follow the simple algorithm. So what it is RW means like this, then U2 means like this, then X means like this, R means just turn it like this, and RW means like this, then U2 means like this, then RW means like this, and U2 means like this, and RW prime means like this, and U2 means like this, and LW means like this, and U2 means like this, and RW prime means like this, and U2 means like this, and RW means like this, and U2 means like this, and RW prime means like this, and U2 means like this, and RW prime means like this. So now, once you have done it, you can have this parity like not flipped and all. So you know how to solve it. Just turn it here, RUR prime, UR prime. So you know how to solve the 3x3, like a 3x3. So here, so 3x3. Okay, so you know how to solve it like a 3x3. See, this is again normally, so which is normal. So your prime here, F2. Okay, now I have one here, F2. And this time it will be solved. So I hope you enjoy my video. Like and sub and